Okay, I am out shopping looking for some K-pop CDs, but this is what it looks like right now in Myeongdong. Granted, it is morning, so the food stalls wouldn't be out anyway, but to give you an example, here's a tube house. Here's one of these butter almond places, honey butter nut places that tourists go to a lot. Store after store is just closed down. Zara is still there, but there's Club Clio. The Line Friends shop is closed. Even the flagship Uniqlo store is closed down, which was a huge store. It's pretty much bare. Okay, here's more of Myeongdong here. This store is empty. There's a few workers out unloading packages, but that's where the Line Friends shop is. It says they're coming back. But I guess we just have to wait until tourists come back. This is the flagship Uniqlo store with several floors. It's the largest in Korea, completely closed down. Here's a place though that I think we might still have some luck. The Myeongdong Underground Shopping Center. So let's go see. The very first store when you come down the entrance, I should say, they still have sock shops. Unfortunately, it's closed, but I'm still pretty early. I see more down there though. Here's another one. Opens at 11 o'clock. Unfortunately, it's only 10 o'clock. Okay, here's another one. Not open yet. But down there, I hear music. Okay, he was super sweet. I got a couple CDs, took pictures. So yes, I can say K-pop shopping is still alive in Myeongdong. Okay, starting out at the top of Garosugil. This is in Gangnam. It's a pretty well-known shopping street where there are a lot of trendy, cool shops. So I'm going to show you around. Over here, this was a really big, really nice coffee shop that is also closed down. So even the street is having problems in the pandemic. Further down the street, I'm just seeing one store after another closed down. Everything's empty. This is the only Apple store in Seoul. They limit to how many people can go inside, so you have to wait outside in line. I'm actually here to go to the Dasim store. This is, I believe, the only Dasim store in Korea. But they open at 12. It's a little bit early, so I'm going to walk around a little bit more.